Now let's look at some questions based on two sets. Set C, which is represented in the set builder form as x is such that x is an element of capital N, then the set of natural numbers, and where x is less than or equal to 9. So naturally we are looking at numbers between 1 and 9, including 1 and 9. So, and set D, which is represented as x is such that x is an element of C. And when you have seeing capital C as such without any other indications, it simply means that we are dealing with the set of complex numbers now. So, what are the elements of set C and D? Naturally, set C would consist of all the natural numbers starting from 1 and ending at 9, which simply means that we are dealing with a finite set, whereas D consists of the set of complex numbers which is an infinite set. Now, an interesting question is that is set C, that is the particular natural numbers between starting from 1 and 9, a subset of D. Now, an interesting point is that we'll be going into much detail in that particular chapter, but for the sake of this particular question, we know that a complex number can be represented in the form a plus ib, where a is called the real part and ib is called the imaginary part. It simply means that if the imaginary part is 0, that is if a plus I0, then we'll be having what is called a real part only, which is equivalent to a real number. So it simply means that it implies that a natural number can be represented in the form of a complex number. And also we have learned in a previous video that starting from the set of natural numbers, all the number systems are actually the subsets of complex numbers, which all this means that it implies that the set C, which consists of those natural numbers, is a subset of D. In fact, set C is a proper subset of D, where where D denotes the set of complex numbers. Now, what about the improper subsets of set C? We know that for any set, the improper subsets are the set itself and the null set. So it's quite a straightforward question. And what about representing set C in an interval? Now we know that we can include only the numbers starting from 1 and ending at 9, which simply means that we are dealing with a closed interval. Thank you.